Why do Americans choose from just 2 people to run for president and 50 for Miss America? This got your attention, not so? Well, we will not go into politics, or beauty pageants, but rather share with you 5 creative ideas for your explainer video. Whether you tell a story to aid your explanation, make a list, or quite simply dive in with the explanation, the following creative ideas can help you to boost the viewer experience. 1. Grab the attention with a catchy one-liner, just like we did at the beginning of this video. 2. Add a splash of color. It is proven to improve attention spans. 3. Open with a topical issue and then turn it around by linking the news to what you want to explain. 4. Make use of humor to relax your viewers and to increase their ability to understand. 5. Choose music that adds an extra layer of creativity. Do not hesitate to use funky music, or dramatic music, or even suspense music, depending on the mood you want to create. So, make your explainer video stand out from the rest by making it different. How? By injecting a bit more creativity into it.